11-12, limited basketball 1-box break for Crazychilla. Pierre, good luck. One pack. We got base of Moses Malone, a legend. Rest in peace, Moses Malone. Number to 299. We got a Kobe base. Oops, number to 299. Then we got draft 2000. Oh, sick. Pick number 16, 2012 draft class redemption. Who is pick number 16? Anyone got an idea? Pierre, this box is amazing. Draft rookie is XRCHH. XRCH8. I'm gonna check quick. Hold on. Who was pick number 16 in the 2012 draft? Anyone got an idea? Royce White is the 2012 redemption, and XRHH is Jimmer Fredette. Jimmer Fredette. We got a Monte Ellis jersey, 93 of 99 jersey. Pierre, are you ready? Here is a Monte Ellis trophy case jersey. And look at this. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Elgin Baylor, and Kobe Bryant. Wow. Kobe is on card and the other two are stickers. This one is numbered 5 of 10. Boom! Sick! Lakers Mojo for Crazychilla. Amazing. Very nice. Number to 10. That's it for the break. Thank you for joining Crazychilla. And I'll see you next time. Peace.